All right, recording live, 3 minutes for the opening bell. And let's see what we got here. A little rip out of that range a minute ago. This is when I wish if I was trading my own money over at my AMP account on the Tradeovate with the Trade of 5 prop house. Backed into that. Fund it, straight to fund it, trying to get this rascal above that $3,000 threshold. Bouncing off the VWAP here early. Going to just be looking around here just to wait to see what she's going to do at the start. Open. See what that opening range is. Just running with our exponential moving averages, linear regression channel. Try to give us our range or volatility. Got an RSI down there, so no overlapping indicators. Going to be doing scalping only, in and out. See green, take green. Got our book map from Alex over here. We'll be watching the advancers and decliners, top right. And we're going to be listing when we get some, when we start seeing some advancers or decliners, when somebody starts winning that tug of war. And if we got some good chart matrix, things are setting up nicely, then we're going to jump in a trade. I got 2 lots set up, buy or sell, doesn't matter to me. Don't really care about the overall market. I know we're at the all-time highs. We got Tesla poor on earnings yesterday. All of that, but most of that does not matter. In the moment, we're on a 30-second chart. You see here at the top there, folks, 30-second chart. Okay, we got Mike's in here with us, or I'm in here with Mike. So we got Schwartz. I'll turn him down. Market's opening 30 seconds. That's just more for keep me from feeling like I'm by myself. Tim can't trade today, so I don't have anybody here with me per se. Terry's in the other room, babysitting the pup. No trade yet. So you can see that on Trade of 5s. We'll start getting some trades going. Wins and loses will be right here. 7 seconds. Let's see what they want to do. We're on the button and ready to go at the start here. Are we synced on time? 5, 6. All right, 8:30. So we're just a little bit out. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. Turn off chat. How are we looking now? 6 seconds to 9 seconds. About 3 seconds there. No big deal. Nothing to worry about just yet. VWAP's holding up here. Whipping around in that 1 minute. Let's go ahead and put up our, where is our, what are we looking for? Opening range. Oh, I might not have it saved. We'll do that after the beginning. I don't really need it. Let's just see what we got here. Let's just see what we got. Where's the liquidity? Who's doing what? Advancers are beating the decliners right now, but it's could whip you around here. Way oversold. Excuse me, way overbought. Said that backwards. See down the RSI through 77. So RSI real overbought. Can be more overbought though, but don't want to chase it. Only put a 1 minute candle in there. Let's just see what we got. Not even 1 minute. There's your first 1 minute candle. Let's just wait and see what we got here. Sound is not on. That wasn't good. When I muted this one over here, it muted that one. That's interesting. Oh, because I refreshed it. Ooh, that's something to know. The sound is very integral when you have your book maps. Keeps you from having to have a volume stuff like that on the other deal. So 12 to 10, but I'm just going to wait because it's whipsawing a little bit. Not going to chase this, but it was very overbought. I did call that being overbought right there. We could have taken a little short there. But I'm going to wait here for a second. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Got a bunch of levels all around us that we got to worry about. You got a lot of activity right here. So let's just see if this area here is going to hold. Not hold. We got some NQ stop sells. He's calling out. It's already neutralized on the volume. Let's just see. Maybe some profit taking here. Still big candles. Look at that. 358, 349. So, and it's happening, inside of just a few seconds here. So we just need to wait. Let's take a look at our 5 minute chart. There's your opening range. Is as big as the channel. So yeah, when it's that much there, I just need to wait because I'm just trying to do little scalps and it could whip you around with 2 lots. And I'm using minis. This is not micros. I'm going to be doing minis. And so it can whip you around a little bit. So now we got a really big opening range. We're going to have to wait here and let this get established and then see. I'm now going to be interested as a breakout or down of these two. And then I'm still going to scalp within these. It's starting to look very interesting to me now, but it still needed to just settle down here. Too big of a candles. Let's see if we can't get a little flat top, flat bottom, and then a breakout, and then we'll take that breakout as long as we got some good volume over here. So now we're starting to get into something might be a little interesting to me. Let's switch up to a 2-minute. See how we're looking here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the indicator on. We got to find that. I thought I had it saved. That's the Lux Algo modified. Well, it ain't coming up. I don't want to bore you guys on the video. We'll get it in a second. Where is that rascal at there? The Lux Algo. I cannot believe I didn't put the star on it. It's so hard to find sometimes. Lux Algo. And let's just go. It was usually at the bottom. Lux Algo, where you at? Well, it's the open range breakout, ORB. And it's not that one though, but let's just try that one and see if it'll work. And I guess that's okay. I don't like to have those target numbers on there. I like the modified version of this. We'll put it on there and see how it works. If it starts slowing down the system, I don't know about it. Go back to our 30 seconds for slowing down. No, you know what? I already don't like it. So we're going to take that Lux Algo ORB and targets. I want the one that's called modified Lux Algo ORB and targets. We'll go find that in a second. Right now, we're looking for some volume, and we've got that little flat. We got that little consolidation period down here in the bottom of this channel, and we just didn't have enough volume right there for it to be taking. We certainly didn't get any sound, so I just it's not strong enough to me. Let's see what the VWAP is going to do here. See what the VWAP is going to do. There's nothing wrong with being patient. You kind of want more than a couple of things to line up. We're all crossing over our moving averages. Do a little stair step here. So let's see what happens. It could turn right back around. Remember, we're on 30-second candles. So it could easily turn back around. I wonder what's happening with the sound. That was enough volume there to get us. Let's do another reset.
Top 10 Q sell.
Top 10 Q sell. So we got some
Sweep and Q buyers. Absorption and Q sellers.
See what I mean by that tail? If I take that long, it would have whipped you out on your stops. So we just got to wait a second. Let's see if the VWAP. Let's see if we're going to get some momentum here. Yeah, something's wrong. A 9 to 6 should have been giving us some sounds. Not liking it. Certainly Bookmap is not liking it. So we're just going to hold tight here. Make sure we got everything right. 50 over there. Make sure that the sound is just working. Mike's talking. Yeah, he's talking. He's talking. So I got sound. No trades yet today. Just a little sideways right off the bat. Let's see if we're going to break down here.
Top 10 Q sell.
Just wait a second. Here we got some sounds now. I'm feeling a little sketchy, y'all. I'm feeling a little sketchy on this. Middle of the RSI. Only got 3 little drum beats right back to neutralizer. And that just did not have any force now, did it? Maybe it's going to prove me wrong here. If I get a pull back into that one candle. Let's just see. No, see, we just don't have enough selling pressure for me to take it. RSI is ticking back up. And so we're just going to wait here. We are below all moving averages. The green is 5, red is 10, the blue is 21. I think I got it on 21 today. Let's see where I set it to. 20, 5, 10, 20. That's easy to remember. 5, 10, 20. We're below them.
Top 10 Q buy.
Could be going to take out this little area right here, the 329 area. Nothing has had any force. The candle is really nothing to trade just yet for a small scalp. It does look like we got the VWAP held there. So I'm going to be looking to maybe go short here if we can get back to the VWAP with force. You know, we're watching our volume over here on the right on our book map. So the advancers and decliners right here in the top right of that screen. I need one of those to be dominating, and I also need to be getting audible signals that's coming from the liquidity and from the other attributes it's set up to give the audibles of when the market's really moving. And then that's when we get more confidence to jump in and right back out. And I mean, in and out for a couple of $100 or out with $100 loss, either way. And you just keep repeating and waiting for the setups. That's all you can really do. Down at the bottom of this linear regression channel. And so I don't know. The VWAP's a lot of pressure there. Usually it acts like a magnet. Let's see who wants to win this thing today, the Bulls or the Bears. Especially in the short term, we just want to get some momentum going. Looks like this is going to be a flat bottom breakdown to me. See, just no gusto. 5 to 4, 5 to 4, 5 to 4, no gusto. So I don't want to get on the trickle downs. I'm gonna go ahead and take one here. We're in.
Absorption and Q sellers.
Hold this one out here. Stop at about the top of these other candles here. We got pressure. We're hoping I'm going to take it on down. Hoping to get a rundown. I hate to take a loss this early. All right, we'll see what happens here. I'll tell you in the next one.